The average account on X will never break past the 1,000 follower threshold. For entrepreneurs, failing to build a meaningful audience has much larger implications than they even realize. This leads to inconsistent lead flow, inconsistent revenue, a lack of authority in their niche, low trust on sales calls, and it feels like you're trying to catch a whale with a paperclip. I've been there too, trapped in the 1,000 follower jail, but I locked in and discovered the alpha that didn't just help me escape, but helped me grow my brand over 300,000 real followers, generate over 2.5 million followers for clients, 1 billion impressions, and generate millions of dollars in lead value for clients over the last few years. The alpha? X ads. X ads are hands down the best way to grow your audience with real followers to help grow your business on X. And the best part is they're still overlooked, just kind of like Facebook ads were back in 2015. While most agencies are still focused on Meta, Google, and TikTok, I've quietly been dominating X, running the most efficient ad campaigns here, more so than anyone else in my niche. In this video, I'm going to show you why X ads are your business's alpha play to dominate your niche, and I'm going to show you proof from my results and my clients' results as well. Before we dive in, I want to touch on 2 common misconceptions that held back some of my most successful clients before they started working with me. The first one of those is organic content is enough alone to grow on it. Another common misconception I've heard is clients already run ads on other platforms, so why do they need to run ads on X? But once they realize that X ads could 10x or 100x their current organic content, build their brand, and drive sales at the same time, the breakthroughs happened fast. Like Akshay, an investor that I helped grow from 105 followers to 8,000 followers in a short amount of time. Or like Jack Bly, a lead gen specialist that I helped him grow his brand, and today he's over 135,000 followers. So what's all the hype about? Actually, there is no hype. It's just data, strategy, and being early in this trend. While other platforms are swamped with SMMA agencies and ad fatigue, X ads are still a wide open playing field. For every 100 brands running ads on Facebook, there's probably only 1 or 2 that are running ads on X. Let's break down why X ads outperform. One of the beauties about X ads is they look like organic native content. The way that X distinguishes an ad is it just says AD in the top right corner, and it's very, very light and very subtle. And so most people probably wouldn't even realize they're looking at an ad. And so when we can disguise our ads to look like organic content, that really helps accelerate the process. Another reason why X ads outperform is because you can build your brand and grow your business at the same time. By growing followers, I always tell clients, it's kind of like growing your email list. The same way you would market to your email list, and once people join your email list, you continue to market to them every time you hit an email. The same way goes with an audience on X. Once you have those followers, you can continue to market to those people as much as you want with the click of a button. So the beauty of X ads is it allows us to grow our followers while we grow our business. And then by growing our followers, it allows us to grow our business even more. Another great aspect behind X ads is the targeting. We can control who sees our content, who sees our product, who sees our offering, who sees our service. And then by doing that, we can get our ideal eyes on what we're trying to sell, which can really accelerate that process as well. There's no doubt this is the most cost-effective way to grow a brand on X. Beyond the leads, beyond the dollars, another great aspect that comes from X ads that is hard to replicate anywhere else as far as the speed and efficiency to get there is the follower aspect with the social proof. Having a large audience makes a huge difference in social proof and authority and really driving people to your brand so you can become a symbol, a strong pillar in your niche as far as to what you do. And that makes a huge difference. When you have social proof, you get more opportunities, more people reach out to you, more people respond to you when you reach out to them. What you find pretty quick is once you grow your brand, once you have, several thousands of followers, and it continues to happen. Once you have 10,000, you see more benefits than 5. Once you have 100,000, you see more benefits than 50,000, and it continues to grow. The people that you get to talk to, the opportunities, the revenue you generate, your organic content's reach, it all continues to multiply. The higher your social proof goes and the higher your audience and the higher your follower count goes up. A lot of people want to grow. A lot of people look at a lot of different ways to grow, and a lot of people spend a lot of money trying to figure out those different ways to grow. And what I've found and consistently found time over time after doing this for several years and talking to thousands of different people, there's nothing, and I repeat, nothing that compares to X ads as far as the speed and the cost efficiency in which it helps in growing your brand. There's no better way to grow a following than using X ads. Another great aspect that we see with some of the different companies we work with, and we work with companies all the way from pre-seed, pre-revenue, all the way up to publicly traded companies, is those companies going through different fundraising rounds as far as bringing a pitch deck to investors. Investors want to see that people care about your product, that they care about your brand, and that there's momentum in what you're doing. And so when our founders get to bring their investors a pitch deck that says they have 30,000 followers instead of 300, that does make a difference. And that does help investors feel more confident in investing in a company or a product. Another thing that those investors like about the startup having a large audience is the aspect that when the startup does launch their product, when they do go to market, that they already have an audience they can market their product to. That way they can start making money right away. And so investors like that. That's feedback that we've got from companies who have successfully raised. And that all comes from growing their audience and by doing it so efficiently through X ads. That's a huge alpha behind what we do as well. Discovering X ads now is like discovering Facebook ads back in 2015. They're cheap, underused, and full of advantages for early movers. Every major brand and every 7-figure solopreneur will have mastered X by 2025. Soon, all of your competition will be on X because they'll understand the wave that is coming. The ones who move now can get ahead of their competition and control their niche market. X ads are how you buy your seat at the top of authority. I've ran thousands of different ads and tested more variations than I care to count. So I can confidently say with a few small iterations to your content plan and adding X ads as a part of that plan, you're a few steps away from striking gold and unlocking the business growth that you desire. And it doesn't just have to be guesswork. These are just a few examples of accounts that have helped go viral time and time again and accelerate their growth faster than anyone could imagine. And this all happens through running X ads. There's no third parties, there's no bots, it's all native through X's native ad software. Real followers, real clients, real results. If these are the kind of results that you want, steady growth, real followers, revenue gains every single month, give X ads a try. If you'd like to get guaranteed results without going through the pain and cost of testing all the ads yourself, you can work with us and we can guarantee that we can help you grow 3,000 to 5,000 real and new followers every single month by using X ads. This is the fast track to help you grow your brand on X and help you smash all your goals. If you're interested, click the first link down here in the description and I'll see how I can help you take advantage of the most underpriced and efficient attention in the game right now.